How to add and edit Google Chrome homepage shortcuts. Hello everybody, in this video we are going to teach you, so without any delay, let's start. Open up your Google Chrome and you should be finding this homepage. So all you gotta do in order to add and edit is, right under this Google home page, you can easily find an add shortcut option on your screen. You may go ahead and locate that plus icon, this one right here, and then click on it if you want to add a shortcut. So in the first box, you need to go ahead and enter up your name, enter the shortcuts name, for example, YouTube, and you need to paste the URL. For example, www.youtube.com is the URL of YouTube. So you may just go ahead and paste it right here and click on done. Otherwise, you can also choose, for example, instagram.com and click on done. Once that is done, you should be finding your shortcut right here. So in order to edit it out, you can go ahead and click on the three dot right at the upper side of the shortcut. And once clicked on it, you can find edit shortcut if you want to edit it out, like edit the name and the URL. Otherwise, if you want to remove the shortcut, you can go ahead and click on the three dot and click on remove. And you should be able to remove your shortcut from your home screen of Google Chrome. Apart from that, if you're not having the shortcut option on your screen, that may be because you haven't turned on that option of adding shortcut. So for that, you may go ahead and click on this customize Chrome. And once you click on it, you may scroll down and you should be finding option of shortcuts. So from here, if this option is turned off, go ahead and turn it on and you should be able to do that. If it's turned up, it will be blank. So you can just go ahead and turn it on and add up a shortcut. And we have this my shortcuts and my virtual sites option. You can just go ahead and select any of the method if you want. And that's it. So that is it for now. You may follow up this method in order to add or edit shortcuts in your Google Chrome home screen. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.